Thinking about starting a business? Wyoming might be the perfect place for your LLC. No state income tax, strong privacy, and easy setup. Sounds great, right? Let's break it down step by step. Wyoming is one of the most business-friendly states. Here's why. No state income tax. You keep more of your profits. Strong asset protection. Your personal assets stay safe. Privacy. You don't have to list your name publicly. Low costs. Only $100 to start and $60 per year to maintain. Steps to form a Wyoming LLC. Step 1. Choose a business name. Make sure your name is unique. Check availability on the Wyoming Secretary of State's website. Step 2. File the Articles of Organization. This is the official document that registers your LLC. The fee? Just $100. Step 3. Appoint a registered agent. Wyoming law requires a registered agent, a person or company that receives legal documents for you. Fees range from $50 to $125 per year. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Not required, but super helpful. This document defines how your business runs and avoids future disputes. Step 5. Get an EIN, Employer Identification Number. Needed for taxes and bank accounts. The best part? It's free on the IRS website. Great, your Wyoming LLC is live. But remember, file an annual report $60 to stay active. Keep proper business records. Stay compliant with tax laws. Why choose Wyoming over states like Delaware or Nevada? Delaware, great for big corporations, but franchise taxes are high. Nevada, no state tax, but higher fees than Wyoming. Wyoming wins for small businesses with its low costs and strong protections. Starting a business is exciting, but getting it right matters. Want expert help? JC Castle Accounting is here to guide you. We handle paperwork, tax planning, and more.